Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how you can create a Google Meet link in Google Meet app. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we will enter in our Google Chrome and come over these Google app options. And here we will find Google Meet. Click on it. After that, here is Google Meet home interface. And here you can come over these new meeting options and just click on it. After that, start an instant meeting. Click on it. By this, you are joining into Google Meet. Uh, Here you can see if you want to add anyone, you can add. Uh, Now, what you have to do, you just have to pick, you just have to select the all this link, copy it, and then create a new tab and just paste it and click on it. And by this, here you can see you'll be able to join the Google Meet. This is how you can do it. So this is the link. So you have to create this link by choosing those options that we showed you over here. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.